buddies, welcome back to my channel, and today we're just gonna be doing like an everyday kind of soft glam makeup routine. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It'll be right here. And so yeah, let's get on with the video. So I'm gonna be holding this little mirror because I like to have my mirror really close to my face, and like I don't really have I have this whole like makeup thing set up, but the mirror is not as close as I want it to be, so I'm just gonna be holding the little mirror. And first I'm gonna start off, this is like one of my favorite face primers, and it's really cheap, and so I'm gonna start off with this. I don't know if you guys can see it. This e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer, and it makes your face like matte, and it kind of takes off all like the oils and stuff. It looks like this. So that's what I like to like start off as, like a little face primer thing. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face, and I'm just gonna rub it in. First is doing my brows. And so what I use for my brows, where'd it go? I use this Beauty Microblading Effect waterproof and longwear eyebrow pencil, and this is what I use. This is in the shade dark brown, and this is what I use to outline my eyebrows first, and then I go in with the Anastasia dipbrow pomade in the shade soft brown, and this is what I use to fill in my brows. But before I do my eyebrows, I already did it, but I take some clear mascara or Vaseline, and I just brush it on my eyebrows. And what I like to do is then brush both eyebrows down so that I could see where the natural shape of my brow is. I don't know if you guys can see it, but all the hairs are down. And then I start outlining my brow. So now I'm taking my eyebrow pencil, and I'm just gonna outline the top of my brow. And I'm just gonna lightly do it so it's not super dark, but so that it's noticeable. And then once I do the top of it, I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows normally so that it fits inside. And I'm going to do the bottom of it. Now I have both of my brows outlined. And so, I'm just gonna close this. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. And again, this is in the shade Soft Brown. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. And I still kind of want that ombre effect with my eyebrow. So what I like to do is start from the top corner and then go backwards. And so that's what we're gonna do. So here I have my Pro Longwear MAC Concealer. I don't know if you guys can see it. And this is in the shade NC35. And I'm also gonna be taking, this is just a brush that I've had for a long time, but it's like a flat tipped brush. And this is what I use, this is what I like to use to conceal my eyebrows. So I'm gonna conceal them. I'm just gonna take a little squirt on the back of my hand. And I like to start on the top of my brow and then go to the bottom. So I usually start in the back. Now that I have both eyebrows concealed, I already used the excess concealer that was on my brush and the bottom brow. I just use that to put on my eyelids, to prime my eyelids so that I can do some eyeshadow. So now that my eyelids are primed and ready, I'm going to be taking my James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a yellowy, not really, like a cream color, and that's Tune. And so that's what I'm gonna start off with my base. And so I'm just going to take my M330 brush and just tap the excess off. And I'm just going to blend this. Next, I'm going to be taking this brown color right here. It's like a tan brown, I don't know. And that is Code James. So I'm just going to take, using the same brush, just tap the excess off. And I'm going to blend this. So I finally have both eyes done with the eyeshadow. Well, not fully done, but just the little orange. And so next I'm just going to be taking this darker brown color, this one. And I'm just going to kind of crease it towards the end. So now I have both eyes done, and just to kind of put it all together, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking, I have all my brushes right here, this, ooh, I have a lot of glitter on this thing. This is just a flat tipped brush that I use for the glitter to put on my eyelids. And so what I'm gonna do, I'll show you guys the color that I'm taking. I'm just gonna be taking this, I'm gonna mix these two. This one is not, it's not white, but it's like, I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe here. I'm gonna be taking this color, and I'm just gonna mix it together. This one's more of a shimmer. So like I said, I took both colors right here, and I have it, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just like a light shimmer. And what I'm gonna do, I sprayed it and everything, and I'm just gonna apply that to my lid, both eyes. And so what I like to do next is take my concealer. So I'm taking my concealer again, and what I'm gonna do is apply it everywhere that I need to apply. And now I'm going to be applying my foundation. Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. And I got this from Ulta, and it is literally the best baking powder ever. And I'm also going to be taking my angled beauty blender. I got this from Ulta as well. And this is the softest beauty blender ever. And so I just have some powder on this paper towel. Rosy blush, and it is in the shade Love Twist, I think it is. It's just this like kind of rosy dark red blush, and I just take a little bit, and I'm taking my Morphe M105 brush. It's this brown color right here, and this is what I use for my highlight. I'm also taking my MAC 10, honestly I think this says 00, but I'm not sure. This is also my highlight thing, brush. I don't know why I said thing. And I just lightly take some highlight and then tap the excess off, and I just apply. Maybelline Great Lash mascara in waterproof, and I'm going to be putting this on my top lashes. Got the chapstick on, and I'm gonna be setting my face with this Fix+Coconut from MAC. Just gonna, I like to put a lot of this on. So that is the end of my little makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to me.